Third pays.
Imagine a world where your business grows itself while you sip on margaritas on a beach. Sounds like sci-fi. It's not, I promise. Today, we're uncovering 4 insane tools with an app know-it-all that will make your business growth feel like magic. What you will learn from Genson Glier, who's the guest, how to leverage sidehustlestack.com for new business ideas and strategies, the benefits of using DigitalDefend for free online courses on marketing and business fundamentals, the advantages of Spoke App for remote team management and meeting summaries, how AppSumo can help you find affordable lifetime deals on essential business tools. I just found out what AppSumo is, and more on this episode of Content on the Go. Hey everyone, I'm Darren Lake, and welcome to Content on the Go, a podcast by Podpaste. Each episode, we answer questions or talk about one specific idea to help you market your business or brand better. And we do that by making them easy to digest, short and concise, because we all have a business to run. Let's go. Remember the saying, there's an app for that? Well, Genson is the guy that can rattle off an app or plugin solution for any business anywhere in the world. Genson Glier is one of the most knowledgeable, well-versed human beings I personally know. With over 10 years in marketing experience, Genson has been head of growth for various startups here in Australia and worldwide. He's also co-founded AI app Tactiq, as well as a few other companies. Let's get into it. Not even a number, just simple tools to help you grow your business fast. I think we've got a list of about 4 here. Let's get on the first one, which is sidehustlestack.com.
Yeah, so here's just a handful of business tools that can help you out. So sidehustlestack.com gives you a whole list of different side hustles and how to start it. Now, how this is going to help new and emerging businesses is they're actually going to see the strategies that most other companies are taking to launch, but also like current businesses to get an idea of what's required and what's changing in the trends as well. We also have DigitalDefend with a Y. So if you want to learn anything, this has an archive of every single online course. So anything from like Google fundamentals, Facebook advertising, TikTok advertising, you name it. They've got certificate courses, all online, all free. So if you're worried about like output, cash, this is kind of the place to do it. I'd also recommend Spoke App. So if you want to create, you're managing a remote team and you want to create simple meeting summaries, as well as sort of like transcriptions and video summaries. Really easy platform to utilize. And for any business starting out, I'd definitely recommend AppSumo. So the reason why I'd recommend it is you can find lifetime deals on this platform of new emerging SaaS platforms, which you can actually hack together to create a full service business stack. Most of these you can actually white label as well, which means you can just sort of, in fact, generate your whole business operations from some of these services.
All right, so those 4 are awesome. Are there any costs associated with them, or is there any like steep learning curve? I mean, I feel like you're all about hacking. It's a bad word nowadays, but let me know cost and actual time commitment cost.
So less around like growth hacks and more growth tactics. So looking at systems and how you can actually automate and scale some of your current operations or additional services. So let's say Side Hustle Stack, it's entirely free. It's community generated, so new items actually come on the platform, and think of it like an archive of new business ventures that get generated, and like, steps, how-tos, all of the guides that you need to actually do that. DigitalDefend, entirely free. The only sort of steep learning is there for really your time and how much time you have to dedicate to it. Spoke, I think it's just a pay subscription fee. I think it's about $20 or $30 a month, nothing crazy. And AppSumo, if you get a good lifetime deal, you'll only pay once off. You get a couple of tiers and stack the codes. You can often get, like, let's say, for example, a CRM equivalent or a starting off company like HubSpot. They might be providing the same services as HubSpot, I should say. They might be selling their offering for about $700 USD, but you won't have to pay for anything else ongoing. So it's a once-off flat fee. So it's better for the long term. It might hit you a little hard if you're just starting out, but it's pretty straightforward.
All right, so those are your 4 simple tools to help you grow your business fast. We've got sidehustlestack.com, DigitalDefend with a Y instead of an E at the end, .com. Is it .com?
Yeah, or
.io or
.co.
.co.
Yeah.
Spoke.app, A-P-P, and AppSumo, which is the only one that I actually have heard of out of all these, but I've not used, and I actually never knew what AppSumo did. So I have actually learned something today, and thank you very much.
Happy to be here.
From Podpaste, you've listened to Content on the Go. Again, I'm Darren, and Podpaste hopes you found more insights and tips into your business or brand. If you've liked what you heard, please share a link with other businesses or marketers if you think they would get something from this. And for a limited time, we are offering 2 special services for people. The first is aimed at businesses that have never done podcasting and want to try it out before committing to a full series. Think Try Before You Buy, where we will edit and repurpose a podcast episode into 10 pieces of content for you for only $95. That's 82% off our normal rate. But if you already have a podcast going, we'd love to edit an episode for free for you or repurpose it into 10 pieces of content to show you what is possible. Either way, sign up at the link in the show notes or YouTube description below to jump on a quick 10-minute discovery call where we can brainstorm ideas or audit your existing podcast and help shape your next series. See you on the next episode.